Everybody, Richie here with TAIOS Tech Tip Tuesdays. Today we got 3 great tips for you. Our first, we're going to learn how to copy and paste. Copy from our phone and paste to our computer completely for free using Windows Phone Link. Our second one, we're going to learn how to type on our computer completely for free, only using our voice, using the new Windows 11 update. Our third one is a great brand new AI image generation website that lets you generate images on the fly. Guess what? Completely for free. All right. Let's get into it. First, we're going to learn how to install Windows Phone Link. First, on your computer, you're going to go ahead and search for Windows Phone Link. Once you get to it, it's going to bring you to a site. You just scroll down, it looks at steps 1, 2, and 3. On your phone, you're going to install it. It's going to look for link to Windows. And on Android, again, link to Windows. Once it's set up and you're using your new account with all of these set up, it's going to look like this on your computer. You're going to go over to your settings, go down to features, and you're going to see cross-device copy and paste. Once that's enabled, then I can go over to my phone. I'll be able to copy anything. So let's just do this real quick. Copy anything. Go ahead and copy it. Come on. Copy. And then I'm going to go over to my notepad, Control V, copy anything. Just did it right there, right? Only using the connection between the phone and the computer. Should be done through Bluetooth. Next one, we're going to learn how to type only with our voice. Built into the new Windows 11, all you got to do is hold down the Windows key, tap the letter H, and now I'm typing with my voice. Exclamation point. Voila. Period. Period. There you go. And then all you gotta do is tap one more time to stop the voice dictation, and it's automatically done for you. Hope that works out. Have any trouble? Go ahead, give me a ring. Now, on to our next one. Our final hoorah. This website called Krea, Krea.ai. Real-time generation. Go ahead, click run. It's going to start out with this pink circle and blue square. And it's going to say, let's say, people in the city street. It's completely free. And it automatically just generates images based on where you're going to put these things. I mean, you can delete them. And got other great settings. Hundreds and hundreds of different settings for you that you can go ahead and play with. Completely for free. I hope you guys have a great time. Be productive. Get things done. If you need any more help, you know how to find us. TAIOSinc.com. Give us a ring if you need help. If not, have a great TAIOS Tech Tip Tuesday. And I got some more tips coming out randomly. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that button. Cheers.